Here we are, Pacifica, on our way to another wildflower hotspot, Mori Point. The Dosh Butt. Although it's a Thursday, still tons of people here. Cute little ponds out here. Some wetlands. Look at that beautiful golf course in the distance. Gross. Yep. There's some pelicans. There's some yummy water coming out into the ocean. Pacific up here in the distance. We're going up to the flowers in the hill there. Nice little cliffside trail. Cypress. Invasive ice plants. This cliff's seen a lot of erosion. Almost to the top. Here's some of the flowers overlooking the other side of Pacifica. These cute little buggers are called coastal tidy tips. See more. Something tells me these are a little more healthier looking a couple weeks ago. There's a lot more down here.
Although if you do get one of these, make sure you get like
This is ridiculously pretty with all the pelicans flying by too. Rocks down there. There's gonna be a lot of just montages of these. Better look at the rocks. Some tide pools down there. Saw a seal pop in the water.
thank you. That way? This one's bright. This is got inside.
And we out of here. Gonna meander the cliffs a little, not doing too much of a hike. Seaside daisies. Someone likes their pad thai. Stupid. Also been seeing all these coastal Indian paintbrushes. More graffiti. Like all the concrete foundations falling apart here. Falling apart. We even got some wild beach strawberries.
Yummy.
Some type of lupin. Berry lupins. Paintbrush is going hard.
Let's do some painting today.
I'm down to do painting.
Yeah. Some
Got a bunch of Baker's Golds up there.
So beautiful.